welcome back to my channel. I am Paige, and this week we are cooking. Just kidding, although this does really feel like a cooking show, but we are making our own candles. I purchased everything to make our own customized candles, and I am excited. So if you are interested in seeing how they turn out, please continue watching. My sister Dana, my stepdaughter Alex, and I went to Goodwill and we went on a hunt for different candle containers. And I found this one. It is a very cool gold and white, kind of Greek looking sugar bowl kind of thing. And I also found this super cute, small, blue spotted little dish. And they both have lids on them as well, and I think they're gonna make super cute candles. Before we get to customizing our candles with our scents and our colors, I'm going to turn on the boiler to start melting our wax. I don't want to put the wax directly on this hot surface, so I have a doubler boil, kind of DIY going on. My green funny pan is full of water, and then this one is full of wax, and I am just gonna turn my burner on, let it warm up. The water inside is slowly gonna heat up and start bubbling, and it's gonna eventually melt our wax. What came in the kit I purchased for candles were all of these wicks, little adhesive dots, these little doohickeys, wick stabilizers, whatever they're called, to keep your wick standing straight up and not falling into your wax. I also purchased, and actually some of them were gifted to me, different scents. I have essential oil that are kind of herbal, and then I have some that are fruity. I prefer fruity kind of candles. That's just me. I also have this delightful mica pigment that we have used in many a project that we are also going to throw in for just a little bit of color. Now I think for this blue candle, we're just gonna do a single wick. I'm gonna very gently kind of straighten it out. I like to peel the stickies off, place them on the bottom of the wick, and then just kind of press them down nice and hard so they are adhered to the bottom all good. And then I peel off this other side, and I'm gonna stick it right in the center. Because this bowl kind of widens, and because I think it will be fun, I am going to do 3 wicks in this candle. I'm now gonna add my colored powder to each candle. For the gorgeous golden white one, I got gold, and I also have some gold glitter that I'm gonna kind of sprinkle on the top once it hardens. But to kind of help with blending into the wax, I'm gonna put the color in first. It's kind of like when you make hot chocolate. You put the hot chocolate powder in the bottom first, and then you pour your water and or milk over top. And for our cute little blue one, I'm just gonna do pearl. It's like a silver white color. The wax in the double boiler is still melting. I'm gonna wait until I don't have any more chunks. Making candles. No. Our wax is totally melted, and so I am going to very carefully pick it up, kind of wipe some of the water off, and pour it into our first candle. I'm gonna need more wax. For this one, I am going to do lavender and orange. This is the longest part of the whole thing, is waiting for the wax to melt. You okay up there? Yeah. What's happening?
I was watching the video we made together like 3 years ago.
Pour it on my skin. It would fucking hurt, but yeah.
Can you smell that candle?
Yeah,
Does it smell good?
yeah.
It is now time for candle. It is now time for candle number 2. Trying to prevent water from dripping. Because this dipped a little bit too low for this candle, I fashioned another thingy out of popsicle sticks. And this one, we're going to add lemon and peach. So it's kind of like peach lemonade. Here is our gold candle. It's pretty cool. The wax looks like molten gold in there. And then our other blue one has a really nice scent to it so far. For this one, once it starts to get a little bit more solid, I'm gonna pour this gold glitter around the top. And once they are solid, I can go ahead and trim down the wicks. We are back down in the basement and the candles have solidified. I just let them sit overnight. They only take a couple hours to fully solidify. And then I trimmed my wick, leaving about 1/2 inch for all of them. Candle numero uno, our gold kind of Greek looking sugar bowl. And here's the inside. You can see the glitter I put on the top. And I can smell it. It smells like the lavender. It's a bit more floral with a hint of the orange. And candle number 2 is our cute little adorable Easter pot. And this one I think is my favorite because I'm a sucker for peach. And this, oh, it smells so good. Here's our candle. I just did the pearl, remember? So it's not a dark color at all. Oh, and it smells like peach and lemons, and it's just so, I can't wait to light these. If both of these smell just on their own without being lit, I'm really hoping that the flame can heat the wax up enough to throw this scent. Here are some up-close clips of these candles. Up-close clips of these candles out in the natural light, and I am also going to light them for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching this week's craft. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I tend to post videos on Fridays. And listed in the description box below, I have my social media and all of the materials I use in this week's craft. I'll see you all for the next one.